Hi friends, welcome back to our channel Agaricus. Now we are discussing biochemistry. So we can move to the first slide. First question is the technique for the separation of protein bases on the migration of charged proteins in an electric field is called. Answer is electrophoresis. Electrophoresis is a laboratory technique mainly used for the separation of a genetic material such as DNA, RNA and protein molecules. Second question, SD stands for dash. Answer is sodium dodecyl sulfate. SDS is a chemical mainly used in the cleaning procedure and also used for the breakage of the cells and extract DNA and RNA, and it is main component in SDS page. SDS page is one type of electrophoresis. Which disaccharide present in milk? Answer is lactose. Lactose is a primary carbohydrate present in the milk, and lactose is composed of a glucose and galactose. Fourth question, the enzyme in saliva for carbohydrate digestion is dash. Answer is alpha amylase. Alpha amylase is a hydrolysis the alpha bonds, and it is the major form of a amylase present in the human and other mammals. Fifth question, where is gluconeogenesis takes place? Answer is liver. Gluconeogenesis is a metabolic process. During this process, glucose is produced, and glucose is the main energy source. Sixth question, the excessive production of a urine known as dash. Answer is diabetes insipidus. Diabetes insipidus is a rare disorder. When it happens, the body can't regulate the fluids. Seventh question, niacin exists in a coenzyme form as dash. Answer is NAD. The full form of the NAD is nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide. It is the most important coenzyme present in the enzyme, and it will also act as a hydrogen acceptor. Eighth question, the major fraction of starch is that of dash. Answer is amylopectin. Amylopectin is a natural starch. It is water soluble in nature and mainly present in plants. Ninth question, sulfur contains amino acids. Answer is methionine, cysteine, homocysteine and taurine. These sulfur containing amino acids are present in meat, poultry, fish, seafood and legumes. Where is the biosynthesis of a urea takes place? Answer is mitochondria. During the biosynthesis of a urea, main steps are there: transamination, oxidative deamination of glutamate, ammonia transportation, and urea cycle also known as ornithine cycle. Fatty acids are degraded by the process is. Answer is beta oxidation. Beta oxidation is a catabolic process. During this process, fatty acid molecule broken down to produce acetyl coenzyme A. In eukaryote, this cycle takes place in mitochondria. In prokaryote, this cycle is present in cytosol. 12th question, the number of a polypeptide chains in a protein can be identified by dash process? Answer is dancyl chloride. It is a labeling reagent. 13th question. Pepsin is an ensemble of dash class of enzyme. Answer is hydrolases. Hydrolases is an lytic enzyme. The metabolite excreted in urine by dash deficiency. Answer is thiamine. And thiamine is also known as vitamin B1. Fifteenth question. Why the salivary amylase become inactive in stomach? Answer is inactivation by low pH. 16th question. The glycogen is stored in the body in dash form. Answer is hydrous form. 17th question. The precursor for bile acids and steroid hormones is? Answer is cholesterol. 18th question. Most important trace element in wound healing is dash. Answer is zinc. 19th question. Which element prevent the development of dental caries? Answer is fluorine. 20th question. The most abundant mineral in the body? Answer is calcium. 2% of the total body weight is calcium. The recommended ratio of calcium phosphorus for an adult? Answer is 1:1. The storage form of the iron is dash. Answer is ferritin and hemosiderin. Iron is mainly stored in liver. The disease due to excessive accumulation of iron in the body is hemosiderosis. It is an iron overloading disease. Name the hormone predominantly produced in response to fight, fright, and flight. Answer is epinephrine. Which mineral is lack in milk? Answer is iron. The essential amino acid limiting in rice is dash. Answer is lysine.